In this episode we have a look in Elizabeth's self-built tiny home. It cost her only 5,000 euros or dollars. She built it all from recycled materials, that's why it took her 1 year to build it. She used new material only for the frame. The house dimensions are 2.5 meters wide and 5 meters long and 4 meters high, so it's still road legal. In the living room we have a sofa bed and a wardrobe. She used a lot of details, a lot of flea market stuff and anything else that she found on the way. The ceiling is actually from bamboo that she collected by the local river. I really like the loft. It has this panorama windows. In the loft you have queen size bed. As you can see on the other side of the house there is another loft for a storage space. It has proper size kitchen with a gas burner stove, oven, fridge, sink, everything you need. As an interesting fact for the house, she used Mercedes van chassis. So it took her quite a while as well to extend it and make it wider to be able to build the house on it. And the bathroom with flushing toilet and a decent sized shower. If you want to find out more about this house, I have a full tour on the second channel. Link is in the description below. Cheers!